Golf carts are more than just vehicles. They're an investment. Keeping your cart running smoothly can save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars over its lifetime. Today's video is all about taking control of your golf cart maintenance and upgrades. I'm going to share practical, money-saving hacks that you can start using today. Before we proceed, ensure you are subscribed and have notifications enabled so you don't miss new videos and updates. Let's dive in. Hack 1. Regular maintenance checks. Let's start with the foundation of every long-lasting golf cart: regular maintenance. It might sound simple, but staying on top of routine inspections can prevent costly repairs down the line. Begin by checking the battery connections. Corrosion on the terminals can cause poor performance. Use a solution of baking soda and water to gently clean them off. A well-maintained battery not only gives you better performance, but can also extend its life by months or even years. Once, I ignored a little battery corrosion for too long and ended up with a complete system failure. Now, I always check and clean my battery terminals at the start of every season. Secondly, underinflated tires are a common problem that can lead to uneven wear. Invest in a quality tire gauge and check the pressure at least once a month. Properly inflated tires improve efficiency and safety. Thirdly, don't overlook your brakes. Regularly check the brake pads and fluid levels. A small issue now can turn into a major repair if neglected. Hack 2. Opt for aftermarket parts. When time comes to replace parts, you don't always have to stick with expensive OEM parts. Many high-quality aftermarket parts can perform just as well, if not better, at a fraction of the price. Before purchasing, do your homework. Read reviews, compare specifications, and ensure the aftermarket part meets or exceeds the original manufacturer's quality standards. Items like fuses, light bulbs, and even battery components often have reliable aftermarket alternatives. I've personally saved over $200 by switching to aftermarket brake pads and LED lights. Remember to always buy from reputable suppliers. Look for warranties and customer support to guarantee your investment. Hack 3. DIY upgrades. One of my favorite ways to save money and add a personal touch is by doing upgrades yourself. You don't have to be a professional mechanic to make a few improvements that can make a big difference. You will find out that replacing worn-out seats or adding custom upholstery is easier than you think. Many online tutorials show step-by-step methods, and you can often do it with basic tools. This upgrade not only increases comfort, but also gives your cart a unique look. Also, adding extras like cup holders, custom steering wheels, or even a small storage unit go a long way to enhance functionality and overall enjoyment without a huge cost. Taking it a step further, you can consider installing LED light strips or a portable sound system. These DIY projects can transform your golf cart into a mobile entertainment unit and create an inviting ambiance for evening rides. Hack 4. Battery care. Let's talk about the heart of your golf cart, the battery. Proper battery care is critical not only for performance, but also for extending its life and saving you money. Regularly inspect your battery terminals for corrosion. Use a mixture of water and baking soda with a soft brush to clean them gently. This small step can prevent voltage drops and improve overall performance. For lead-acid batteries, it's important to check the water levels and top them off with distilled water as needed. Over time, electrolysis can cause water loss, which may lead to reduced battery efficiency. To maximize your battery health, avoid letting it fully discharge before charging. Instead, maintain a consistent charging schedule to keep the battery in optimal condition. A smart charger can help regulate this process. Hack 5. Invest in a quality charger. Next up, let's talk chargers. It might seem like a small accessory, but investing in a quality charger can make a huge difference in prolonging the life of your battery. Unlike basic chargers, smart chargers automatically adjust the charging rate and prevent overcharging. This not only preserves battery health, but also optimizes charging cycles. By preventing overcharging and overheating, you reduce the risk of battery damage. This means fewer replacements and, ultimately, lower maintenance costs over time. Make sure to look for features like temperature compensation and multi-stage charging, which are designed to extend battery life. Hack 6. Upgrade to LED lighting. LED lighting is one of those upgrades that offers a double benefit: energy efficiency and longevity. Switching your golf cart's lighting to LED can result in substantial savings over time because they use a fraction of the energy compared to traditional bulbs. This means less drain on your battery, leaving more juice for your rides. Whether you're using your cart in the dark or simply enhancing its look, LED lights are a win-win. In terms of longevity and durability, LEDs typically last much longer than conventional bulbs. This reduces the frequency and cost of replacements, while also providing a brighter, more modern look to your cart. Upgrading to LED lighting offers a very strong value proposition. Many LED kits are designed for DIY installation. With a few basic tools, you can upgrade your lighting without needing professional help. Plus, the enhanced aesthetics might even boost your cart's resale value. Hack 7. Regular cleaning and proper storage. Finally, one of the simplest yet most effective hacks: regular cleaning and proper storage. Keeping your golf cart clean isn't just about looks, it's about preserving your investment. Regularly washing your golf cart removes dirt, salt, and other debris that can cause corrosion or wear over time. Use gentle, non-abrasive cleaners and soft cloths to avoid scratching the surface. Another option is protective covers. Invest in a high-quality cover to protect your cart from the elements. Whether it's harsh sun, rain, or dust, a good cover can prevent paint fading and component degradation. This is especially important if you store your cart outdoors. Conclusion: to wrap things up, remember that every little bit counts when it comes to maintaining your golf cart. From regular maintenance and battery care to DIY upgrades and smart purchases like quality chargers and LED lighting, these hacks are all about maximizing performance and minimizing costs. Implementing these strategies can help you extend the life of your golf cart, enhance its performance, and ultimately save you money in the long run. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.